You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous places in Canada, stay tuned. This is a community in Ontario. Port Dalhousie. Yes, I know other Dalhousie are pronounced Dalhousie. This one is pronounced Port Dalhousie. For some reason, the H is not pronounced here. Port Dalhousie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.